LastPass and TotalPassword. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this two password manager platform to help you decide which password manager between these two is the best in 2025. So to get started, we are going to review these two platforms in different categories in terms of security and privacy, the features, usability, and other important features like the pricing and the overall conclusion about this platform. So to get started, LastPass used a AES 256 encryption and zero knowledge policy, meaning only you can access your data. However, it has experienced multiple data breaches with a major incident in 2022 that affects users' confidence. Now, talking about TotalPassword, also employs a AES 256 encryption and zero knowledge architecture, but stand out with a clean track record, not even breaches to date, which means it's a strong option for users who patronize security. Now, talking about the key features about this platform. So, talking about LastPass, it's a features-rich, offering a password generation, autofill, secure node, multiple factors authentications, and a security dashboard to monitor password strength. Also comes with a interface slightly updated compared to a newer tools. Now, talking about TotalPassword, it focuses on simplicity and easy to use. It includes password auditing, ad blocking, and a standout features called Secure Me with let user remotely log out of website and close tabs, a useful tools for extra security. Now, talking about the pricing plan of this platform, it's come with a different type of pricing plan. LastPass offer a free plan limited to one type of device for mobile or computer, with a premium plan of $3 per month and a family's plan of $4 per month that supports up to 6 users. Now, talking about TotalPassword, they don't offer a free plan or trial. However, its paid options are affordable and provide a solid value, particularly given to extra privacy and security tools included. Now, here's the overall conclusion about this platform. While both are capable tools, TotalPassword takes a lead in 2025 for users who value privacy, simplicity, and security. However, LastPass still is a strong contender, especially for those needing more advanced sharing features and cross-platform sync on a budget. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms, LastPass and TotalPassword. Thanks.